So in this video, we will see how to deploy React application in Firebase. First of all, let's start with creating the React application. For that, let's get over on terminal. So let's click on command space and search for terminal, and let's head into the directory where we want to create the React application. And now let's run the command for creating the React application, npx create react app, and the React application name which you want to give. So let's give React Firebase deploy in our case. So this will take some time for installing all of the libraries, and all the setup needs to be done. For that, let's give some time for this. I have paused the video and started the video after the all of the installations done. So let's open the folder React application in the VS Code. Now let's open the terminal. Let's start the server by doing npm start. So this is the basic React application. We haven't changed anything. This is a boilerplate code which came from npx-create-react app. And now let's do Firebase setup, like Firebase login. Still haven't subscribed or liked and commented to the channel, please do. So after doing the Firebase login, let's do Firebase init. So let's go to the hosting, select hosting, and create a new project and specify the name which you want to give. Like, this will decide the URL of the website. So this should be unique. So if you are getting this error, let's see how we can mitigate this. So let's head over to the Google console, cloud console. Let's search Firebase login and go to the console.firebase.google.com. So in here, we will just try creating the new project and give the name. So this should be unique. So let's, until unless it is not unique, we will not be allowed to create the project. So in the below, we are able to see Firebase React 2022. That is the name which is given. We don't want fir here. Let's delete this. And now the project ID is unavailable. That is getting shown there. So we need to add something. So it should be, the project ID needs to be unique in our case. So let's add some of the days, and I think the Firebase needs to be removed. Yeah, I think we have this project ID free, and let's copy this and head over to the VS Code again and do Firebase init and select the hosting, create a new project, and paste that a project ID which we copied. Let's paste it again, and let's wait for some time. So it is asking what do you want to use as your public directory. Let's give it as build. And is it a single page application? Yes. and set up a builds and deploy with GitHub. No, not currently. We'll do it later. And now let's do. I think we need to do npm run build just to be on a safer side. And after the build folder gets updated, and we can do Firebase deploy. So build, what it does is it executes React scripts build in our case. So this creates the uh, build folder with all the details of the application. So let's do Firebase deploy. This will be our last step for deploying our React application. So as we can see, deploying to React demo Akas 2022. That that is our project ID, and whatever we will see, the URL will be React demo Akas 2022 dot web dot app. So we are successfully deployed our React application in here. So this is what we had in our local, and so now let's see how we can change the code and redeploy it. How easy is it in Firebase? So let's go to the app.js. Let's remove all of the header and all of the section and just print in h1 tag. This is Firebase demo. So let's head over to the local server. Whatever we are able to see, this is a Firebase demo. Let's deploy this code. Now in order to deploy this code, we need to again build. So build again updates the build folder, and let's do Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy just deploys the build folder. So the still Firebase deployment is going on, and after it gets finished, like it will the URL content will be updated. So in our case, like, it got updated. Thanks for watching.